ABC Speaking Academy.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to Super Kids Learning. Today, we're going to learn classroom language. These are the words and sentences we use in school to talk to our teacher and friends. Are you ready? Let's go. May I come in, please? May I come in, please? May I come in, please? Can I go to the toilet? Can I go to the toilet? Can I go to the toilet? Can I open the window? Can I open the window? Can I open the window? Can we pack our things now? Can we pack our things now? Can we pack our things now? Can I answer the question? Can I answer the question? Can I sharpen my pencil? Can I sharpen my pencil? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Can I switch off the lights? Can I switch off the lights? Can I switch off the lights? Put your hands down. Put your hands down. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. May I go out, please? May I go out, please? May I go out, please? Can I switch on the lights? Can I switch on the lights? Can I switch on the lights? How do you spell that? How do you spell that? How do you spell that? I'm sorry, I don't understand. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can I go to the toilet, please? Can I go to the toilet, please? What page are we on? What page are we on? What page are we on? What is the homework? What is the homework? Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. When is the exam? When is the exam? Can you speak louder, please? Can you speak louder, please? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Can I go out? Can I go out? Can I go out? Close your books. Close your books. Close your books. I have done this. I have done this. I have done this. I am ready, may I start it? I am ready, may I start it? Stop talking and be quiet. Stop talking and be quiet. Can I answer the question? Can I answer the question? Can you explain that again? Can you explain that again? Can you explain that again? How are you today? How are you today? How are you today? Who is absent today? Who is absent today? Who is absent today? Just a moment, please. Just a moment, please. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to use classroom language. Remember, using polite words and sentences in school makes learning fun and respectful. Thanks for learning with me today. See you next time. Bye, friends.